Hey guys, it's Monse. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a vegan pizza. The first thing you're going to need is a vegan pizza crust. I'm using Mama Mary's original pizza crust. It comes with 2 in a pack. You're also going to need something to bake this in. I don't have a pizza tray. I don't have a round one, so I'm going to have to use this. You're going to need some of your sauce. I'm actually just using Prego Traditional. I got everything at Walmart, by the way, and just like my last lasagna recipe, this is vegan. And I'm also going to be using some sausage. This is a field roast. It's one of them from field roast. I usually use it up and throughout the wrapper or like the packaging, but just some vegan sausage from field roast. I'm going to add some parsley to it, some garlic powder, some spinach, and then I'm going to be adding the cheese. This is, I don't know what kind of cheese it's supposed to be imitating, but just some vegan cheese. Like I said, I got everything from Walmart, and then some olive oil. So the first thing you're going to need to do is wash your hands. I already ended up washing my hands previously for this. So the first thing you're going to do is open this. I'm probably going to struggle a little bit for this. Okay, so you want to begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Sorry, little bubbles in the way. And then you want to just take some olive oil. And you want to brush olive oil all over the crust. I actually don't have a brush to do this with, so I'm just going to pour like a little bit of olive oil and go like this with my hand. But I definitely recommend using like a brush for this. I'm actually going to just make one of these, so I'm just going to set the other one aside and make something with it later, but I'm just going to go like this with it. And then the sauce. Like I said, I'm using Prego's Traditional sauce, and now my hands are super greasy from the oil. I can still get this open now, right? Try. I'm just going to use a napkin. Like I said, I'm not making this pizza from scratch, but I was just craving some junk food and set it on pizza. Oh, I think that was a little too much. And I'm just going to grab a spoon. I apologize you can't really see what I'm doing here, but I had trouble putting the camera in angulation or at the proper angle. You're just going to cover this in some sauce. Putting a little more in that. I'm actually going to end up adding some garlic here because I love garlic, as well as some parsley. And then, like, you guys don't have to use everything that I'm using. Like, if you don't like cheese, then you could skip the cheese. Or if you guys want to use some other meat substitute on here, you can. If you want to put mushrooms on it, like, you know, make it your own. Like, I guess you could also use vegan butter for this, and then add parsley and garlic powder, and then have like a garlic bread crust. I've actually tried that one, and that one's actually really, really good. I just wanted to use olive oil this time, but yeah, oops. Sprinkle on some butter. Not garlic butter, some garlic powder. And then for the cheese, I probably should have opened everything beforehand, but I just wanted you guys to know what products I was using, so that's why I didn't, but And please be careful when opening up your products. Definitely don't do it the way I'm doing it. No, I did not just cut myself, and I hope I did not just show my face. Yeah, I'm really picky for that face reveal thing, and I. Okay, but then you just want to just take your cheese, and I'm not even gonna shred it because I know it's gonna melt. So I'm not even gonna concerned about shredding it, but you just want to like cover the surface of it, or like the brush it covered in sauce with the cheese. And you are probably gonna end up using the entire block for this. Like I've made these pizzas before, and I do end up using like the entire block. Like, did you guys just get some weird thing right now? Like, it's because there was some lightning thing outside, or not lightning, but some weird lighting. Anyway, so I'm just gonna keep on covering this with sauce. I mean, with cheese. Okay, and then once you have your cheese on there, then you just want to add the rest of your toppings. Again, like the toppings you want to add are optional. Are optional. I'm just going to be adding some spinach. Probably not going to add that much. And then I'm just going to add the sausage on there. Let me know what you guys' favorite pizza toppings are down in the comments below. Like, I guess we could make this a Hawaiian one and then add like a ham substitute and some pineapple on there. I'm actually allergic to pineapples. I think like right now for the summer, some Hawaiian pizza would be really good. Let's come down. And you can also add some tofu. If you'd like. So right now I've just added the cheese, the spinach, and the sausage. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more garlic powder. I think I added a little too much there actually. And anyway, so there you go. And right now, and then, oopsies. Okay, so there you go. And no, I'm actually not going to eat that. I'm probably going to just, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm not going to eat that. Ew. But there you go. And then you just want to bake this for, well, you want to bake it at 425 degrees for 7.5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm actually going to just bake this for 10 minutes. And then I'll update you guys. Okay, so this is how the pizza came out. So I just baked it for 10 minutes. And I think it looks really good. I actually didn't mean to do that. I was trying to touch the crust and touch the cheese on accident. But the cheese touch, you better run. But, like, the crust is actually a lot thinner than I expected, but I still like it. Well, I know I'm gonna like it because I've made it before, but different toppings each time. And the spinach definitely looks looks kind of like a dead leaf, but it is a dead leaf. And I can't wait to try this. Like I said, I don't want to get it on camera, but this is how it came out. I really, really like it, and I can't wait to eat this.